Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. ఈరోజు చెప్పే టాపిక్ మా 6th క్లాస్ A7 మ్యాథ్స్ పేపర్ 2025 to 26. 1 crore is equal dash lakhs, 100 lakhs, option B. Write in numerical form of the following: 9 crore 5 lakh 41. So option C. Next, the length of the river is Krishna is about 1400 kilometer. What is its length in meter? So 1 kilometer is equal 1000 meter. 1400 kilometers is 1400 into 1000, that is equal 14 lakh meter. So what is the option? C. Next, write the successor and predecessor of the greatest 4-digit number. So greatest 4-digit number is 9999. Successor means plus 1, predecessor means minus 1. So how much? 10,000, 9,998. So what is the option? C. Next, which of the following is true, ma? Every natural number is a whole number, right? True. Every whole number is a natural number, wrong. 0 is a natural number, wrong. The smallest whole number is 1, wrong. So next, the smallest perfect number is 6. So perfect number ante ma, the sum of factors of a number is 2 times of a given number. So 6 factors 1 2 3 6, sum chesama 12 nalla 2 6 ja. So what is the option? B. The SF of 2025 and 2026 is 1. So option is C. Next, the sum of smallest composite number is 4. Next, only even prime number is 2. So what is the sum? 4 plus 2 is how much? 6. Next, which of the following is neither prime nor composite number? 1. Next, two bells ring every 15 minutes and 20 minutes. If they ring together at 8 a.m., when will they ring together again? So we can take that LCM. So that is how much? 60. So 60 minutes means 1 hour. 8 a.m. plus 1 hour, that is 9 a.m. So what is the option? D. How many sides does a circle have? 0. Next, how many right angles are there in half of a revolution? That is 2 right angles. Which of the following statements is false? So a line has 2 common point. An angle has 2 common point. So what is the option? Wrong. D. So actually an angle having only 1 common point. Next, which type of a triangle is a regular polygon? Regular polygon means all sides and all angles are equal. So what is the option? A. Equilateral triangle means all sides and all angles are equal. Next, if all sides and angles of a parallelogram are equal, then it is called a square. In a square, all sides and all angles are equal. Next, the edges of notebook page from, so both parallel and perpendicular lines. Next, which of the following quadrilateral can be a parallelogram and a rectangle? Square. Which of the following shows the prime factors of 118? So 118 prime number to divide 290 ja, 245 ja, 315 ja, 35 ja. So what is the option? C. Next, I am a prime number. If you subtract 2 from me, I become divisible by 7. So what is the option? B. 23 నుంచి 22 పోతే 21. 21 is divided by 7, that is 3. Next, the number of diagonals of a pentagon. Pentagon means 5 sides. A polygon having 5 sides. So what is the formula? N of n minus 3 by 2. So how much you can get? 5. So what is the option? D. Next, arrange the number in descending order. Descending order means big to small. So what are the arranging numbers? 7680, 6893, 6878, 6799. Next, fill in the blanks. 8000 plus 7 tens is equal 6000 plus 207 tens. So 1000 is equal 100 tens, that is 2000 means 200 plus 7. Next, open curve. Next, closed curve, acute angle, right angle. Next, find the difference of the greatest and smallest 5-digit number. So 62743. So greatest number is 76,432. Smallest number is 23,467. So the difference is how much? 52,965. Next, check whether 6,04,373 is divisible by 11. So how you can do that? The difference between sum of all places and even digit places, that is odd is 17, even is 6. 17 minus 6, 11. 11 is divisible by 11. Next, find the value of 4 times of 3 into 4 into 3 using the number line. This is the number line. Next, draw a rough diagram to illustrate each of the following. So quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, octagon. Quadrilateral 4 sides, pentagon 5 sides, hexagon 6 sides, octagon 8 sides. Next, identify and write each of the following lines perpendicular and which are not perpendicular. The adjacent edges of a table tab perpendicular lines, railway track perpendicular lines, the line perpendicular lines, V not perpendicular lines. Next, write any two four numbers. So 9492648936 internal system. So that is 9,492,006,408,936 Indian system. Next, divisible by 6. If a number is divisible by 6, it is divisible by both 2 and 3. So first number, last digit is 2, so it is divisible by 2. Next, sum divisible by 3 means sum of the digits is how much? 18. It is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 6. Okay, number 6 divisible కావాలంటే it is divisible by 2 and 3. So next, second one, divisible by last digit is 6, divisible by 2. Sum of the digits 24. It is divisible by 3. Therefore, it is divisible by 6. Next, it is divisible by 2. Why? Unit digit is 6. Sum of the digits how much? 34. It is now divisible by 3. It is now divisible by 6. Next, last digit 7. It is now divisible by 3. Sum of the digit 28. It is now divisible by 3. Therefore, it is now divisible by 6. Next, the length, breadth and height of the room 825, 675 and 450 centimeter. Find the longest tape that can be used. So here HCF ma. So 450, 675. SCF is 225. Next 225, 825. SCF is how much? 75. So what the longest type? 75. Next, write the smallest 5-digit number and express it as a product of its prime. So longest, smallest 5-digit number. What that? 1 lakh. So prime factorization 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 2. Next, use the given figure to the name 5 points line. Next, 4 rays. Next, 5 line segments. Next, name the given polygon. What is that polygon? Quadrilateral. Vertices A, B, C, D. Sides A, B, B, C, C, D, D, A. Angles angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. Next, in this classify, straight angle is 180. Reflex angle is 240 to 10. Next, obtuse angle 120, 135. Acute angle 35, 60. Next, name each of the following types of triangles of length and sides. First one is equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. Second one is isosceles triangle, any two sides are equal. Next, obtuse angle triangle. Next, right angle triangle. Next, obtuse isosceles triangle. Next, right isosceles triangle. Thank you. Please subscribe.